You should ideally try to take a bus directly to Dharamshala, but in case you can't do that because of the timing, you should take a bus to Kangra. From Kangra, you can take a bus then to Dharamshala. The prices for all of which will be mentioned in this video. You could also just take a taxi directly from Una to Dharamshala. But once you're in Dharamshala, the bigger challenge is getting to McLeodganj. The taxi could be very costly. If you go to the McLeodganj city, it will cost you around 500, and for Bhagsu, it will cost you around 700. Bhagsu is the place where the Triund trek starts, and this is a beautiful trek, and this is me at the middle of that trek. If you have any questions, please reach out in the comments. But yes, this is how you can reach McLeodganj via train.